I think it's still good to get yourself outside your comfort zone to practice. But for me, creativity is an outlet and I need this. It's cathartic. So if I've been working 24/7, I just want to go and sing a song with my band and I will feel full of joy and it replenishes my energy. Now that does not apply to everybody. That's me personally. But other people might find it through other creative pursuits like painting can be very relaxing and cathartic just to turn your mind off occasionally, or through writing, creative writing. There are many things you can do. Of course, exercise and sport is fantastic as well for your mental health as well as your physical health. And as you mentioned, finding work-life balance. I know some people say, oh, there's no such thing as work-life balance. If you run a startup, you have to work around the clock. As somebody who has burned out really hardcore, I can tell you that you are useless to anybody. If you burn out, then you are not able to be productive anymore. You can't motivate and inspire your team anymore because you have nothing left to give. You have no more energy to put into your company. So it is really important to carve out time for yourself, for your mental health, to practice self-care. I personally find meditation really helpful just to refocus. And then I will go into the day and I know I'll be more productive, more present, more engaged.